Ẹjọ́ ní èsì àti pé kí ni ó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ẹjọ́ gan-an.
Ní tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ẹjọ́ lè rí òun náà láti sọ léyìnbó yẹn wípé Portable nígbà tí wọ́n àárẹ̀ yẹn lọ́yẹ̀ wọ́n apply fún bail ẹ̀ àwọn lọ́yà on the other side akáǹtẹ̀ pé kí wọ́n má fi kalẹ̀ but unfortunately kóòtù ní pé wọn prosecutor sọ ìdí pàtó tí kò fi wà entitled sí bẹ́ẹ̀lì at the end of the day ilé ẹjọ́ padà fún ní bẹ́ẹ̀lì wọ́n ní kó mú ṣọtí méjì wá tí ìkọ̀ọ̀kan in the sum of 1 million naira èèyàn kọ̀ọ̀kan then ó wá jẹ́ pé lára àwọn ṣọtí yẹn èèyàn kan ni wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ chairman pman ó gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ chairman pman so or secretary pman then ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì ṣọtí yẹn gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ ọ̀tọ̀ ní landed property ní GRA Ìlọrin tó dẹ̀ ní C of O wọ́n dẹ̀ sún ìgbẹ́jọ́ sí on the 30th of April for continuation of the case.
From what we heard, Saheed Osupa and Portable are not based in Kwara State. Why Kwara State? Why not?
Osupa is a resident of Ilorin or Kwara State. We don't know. He's a wealthy man. He might have acquired a property in Ilorin or Kwara State that gave him that audacity or that power to come and institute the case in Ilorin here. So what the constitution says is that anybody can reside anywhere as far as Nigeria is concerned. Once you are in Nigeria. And as a matter of fact, Alhaji Saheed Osupa filed a petition to police at police headquarters, which upon the investigation, they now found him worthy. That is why they went for his arrest and bring him to court.
Your message to Nigerians?
Well, my message is very clear. We have been saying this all over time. In the cases we have appeared before, in the case of Talolong, in the case of Saheed Shittu, in the case of this President Abdulrahman that happened in Ilorin here, we have been telling people that they should desist from condemning or defaming the character of anybody. It is unlawful for somebody to just cook a lie against the personality of anybody. Then it is strike law that he who asserts must prove. If your failure to prove in court any allegation, it will amount to what's it called, conviction or defamation of. Well, orúkọ mi ni Barrister Abdulkadir Ademola Ajasa.
Agbègbè Saheed Osupa ó gbé Portable Olorin ojú àṣírí ẹjọ́ nínú Ìlọrin lẹ́yìn ẹjọ́ tí mo gbọ́ ni àti pé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ṣàlẹ̀ yìí dúró fún ìdájọ́ ẹjọ́.
Well, lóòótọ́ ni kò sí rọ́bẹ̀. Alhaji Saheed Osupa ọba orin òun ni tó jẹ́ Olúfimọ́ 1 òun làwa á dúró fún ní kóòtù ní àárọ̀ yìí. Ìtọ́jẹ̀gbẹ́ tó gbé Portable wá sí kóòtù yẹn Àbíbò Òkìkíọlá tó torí ẹ̀gbẹ́ wá sí kóòtù òun ni ìbanilórúkọ jẹ́ tí ó ṣe fún Alhaji Saheed Osupa látara pé ní orí péjì ẹ̀ ó sọ wípé wọ́n jẹ ìgbín tìkarahun ó sì pè wọ́n ní ìjàpá ó sì sọ wípé wọn ò jẹ́ kó lè méèkì owó látara pé òun lo apá kan níbi orin wọn wípé wọ́n dúnkòkò mọ́ Alhaji Saheed Osupa. So àwọn allegation tó fi kan Alhaji Saheed Osupa yìí òun ló fà á tí Alhaji Saheed Osupa tí wọ́n fi competition sí ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn ọlọ́pàá káwọn ọlọ́pàá tó wá lọ gbé ní Èkó. So unfortunately láàárọ̀ yìí wọ́n ààrẹ rẹ̀ ní court tí àwa jẹ́ dúró fún Alhaji Saheed Osupa nínú kéèsì yẹn.
Please, can you tell us what happened in the court today between Portable and Saheed Osupa?
Well, what happened today is that the case is for arraignment. The Portable in question, Oke-Kura Habib, he wrongly alleged, or let me say, printable names is what Mr. Alhaji Saheed Osupa thinks that, okay, he needs to come and clear his name. Because he also make allegation that Alhaji Saheed Osupa did not allow him to make money through one of his Barrister Abdulkadir Ademola Ajasa, the lawyer to Olorin and the legal advisor to Olorin.
And moreover, he has even been granted bail from the police station. So Saheed Osupa was in police headquarters this morning and he pleaded and he said no, that they should bring him to court. So
but from what you said now, he has not been granted bail at the court.
He has been granted bail at the court.
But we have not seen him outside.
No, he has been granted bail. We are just trying to perfect the bail.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ilé ẹjọ́ lẹ́yìn nílùú Ìlọrin? A gbọ́ pé Saheed Osupa ó gbé Portable ọmọdé olórin ni ó gbé wá sí ilé ẹjọ́. Kí ni tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nílé ẹjọ́ lẹ́yìn?
Wọ́n kàn ní ìjà ráńpẹ́ ni ó ní ó kọ orin òun. And meanwhile orin tó dẹ̀ kọ orin tí Osupa ti kọ bíi ọdún méjì sẹ́yìn ni ó kàn kọ orin ẹ̀ tó bá ní ó bá lórúkọ jẹ́ ó kọ orin òun. So
kí wá ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ẹjọ́ lẹ́yìn?
Ilé ẹjọ́ ti tú sílẹ̀. So ilé ẹjọ́ ti tú sílẹ̀.
Wọ́n tún sí ọ̀pọ̀ ọmọ lọ ni àbí yóò mọ̀ wá jẹ́jọ́ láti ilé?
Yóò wá mọ́ jẹ́jọ́ láti ilé.
ọjọ́ ni wọ́n á sún ìgbẹ́jọ́ mi sí.
April 30 ọgbọ̀njọ́ oṣù kẹrin.
orúkọ yìí sà.
I'm Chief Adébáyọ̀.